Sniang, Nabar.
Peace talks between the Pnar community of Khanduli village and the Karbi community were held on Tuesday at Khanduli, Assam, BOP, border outpost. Representatives from both communities attended the meeting. Officials from the concerned districts, Assistant Commissioner W.K. Karbuli and Assistant Commissioner and Border Magistrate Rakesh Thakur from West Karbi Anglong were present in the meeting. W.K. Karbuli said that the purpose of this meeting is to bridge the communication gap between the two communities for a better and smooth exchange from both ends and, moreover, to bring about peace and tranquility in the area. Rakesh Thakur mentioned the importance of having frequent communication or dialogues between the two communities of the two states so as to further strengthen the ongoing relationship.
I'm the Assistant Commissioner of Homeland, so it's an immense pleasure